Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best 3000W Ebike kit is probably one of the most powerful and exciting upgrades you can make to your bicycle, transforming it into a high-performance electric machine capable of exhilarating speeds and effortless hill climbs, offering a thrilling new dimension to your cycling adventures and allowing you to conquer longer distances with significantly less effort than ever before. Number 5. NBPOWER Stealth Bomber Electric Bike Frame. Introducing the NBPOWER Stealth Bomber Electric Bike Frame, a top choice for your DIY electric bicycle project. This durable steel frame is designed for high-power conversions. Crafted from high-quality steel, this frame offers robust support for your electric mountain bike build. It features a protective, scratch-resistant plastic cover for enhanced durability. Designed to accommodate rear shocks ranging from 190mm to 240mm, it provides flexibility for various suspension setups. This ensures a smooth ride on any terrain. The head tube is engineered for a standard 1.18-inch non-integrated steering tube, measuring 130mm in length. This allows for easy installation of your chosen headset. Perfect for converting your bicycle into a powerful electric mountain bike, supporting motor kits from 3000W up to 8000W. It's the most popular steel frame for electric bike enthusiasts. Get your project started quickly with fast shipping directly from our USA warehouse. Experience the convenience of readily available parts for your e-bike conversion. What we like. This option offers a robust steel frame with a durable, scratch-resistant plastic cover. If you are looking for a solid foundation for your DIY e-bike build, this is a great choice. Its availability from a USA warehouse also means faster shipping for domestic customers. What people say. The rear shock and suggested is so plush. Outstanding shock for the money. I'm using the 3000W 135mm dropout 26 motor from NBPOWER and it fits just fine with this frame. There are metal tabs on the rear swing arm that can be moved from the outside to the inside to adjust the dropout wide. I only needed the usual one washer, fit like a champ. All my local bumpy roads feel completely different now. Number 4. 3000W Rear Wheel Electric Fat Bike Conversion Kit. Experience the thrill of a 3000-watt rear wheel motor. It provides exceptional power and torque, making every ride effortless and exhilarating. Take control with the advanced 72V ADA Sabvoton programmable controller. You can fine-tune its settings to achieve your perfect performance. Enjoy smooth and precise gear changes thanks to the integrated 7-speed flywheel. It ensures a fluid and enjoyable riding experience. Ride with confidence knowing the robust torque arm offers enhanced stability and support. It ensures a secure and dependable journey. This conversion kit is designed for versatility. It's easy to install on most fat bikes, transforming your current ride. What we like. Experience impressive power and torque with its 3000W rear wheel motor and customize your ride with the programmable controller. The included torque arm ensures added stability. If you prioritize raw power and the ability to fine-tune performance for demanding terrain, this kit is for you. What people say. This thing has a lot of torque. Make sure your battery can support the wattage. Amazing power. I'm not much into top speed, just like the extra power for hills acceleration, but the kit freewheeled at 78 miles per hour. Number 3. 3000W Electric Bike Conversion Kit. Transform your ordinary bicycle into a powerful electric machine. This kit provides the core components to electrify your ride. Experience exhilarating speed and performance with its robust 3000-watt brushless DC motor. It's designed to fit rear wheel forks with a 150 to 155mm distance. Choose the power that suits you best with compatibility for 48V, 60V, or 72V systems. This ensures flexibility for your specific needs. The included ADA Sabvoton sine wave controller offers smooth and efficient power delivery. It's programmable for a customized riding experience. This comprehensive kit includes a 26-inch alloy wheel, a twist throttle with an LED voltage display, and an electric power switch. It also features a programmable controller with PAS and alarm functions. Upgrade your cycling experience with this easy-to-install conversion kit. Enjoy the convenience of electric power on your favorite bike. What we like. This kit features a 3000W brushless DC motor and a versatile 486072V programmable sine wave controller. The twist throttle with an LED voltage display provides convenient monitoring. If you want a reliable and feature-rich conversion with clear power feedback, consider this option. What people say. It's fast, it has low at 25 mid at 35 high at 45 to 50. Must have 72-volt battery. This kit is very well made. It is very powerful, so be careful and make sure to follow the regulations within your state. Number 2. NBPOWER 3000W Ebike Conversion Kit. Introducing the NBPOWER 3000W Ebike Conversion Kit. Elevate your ride with powerful performance and advanced features. Experience thrilling speeds of up to 90 km/h. This kit is designed for extended rides, offering both power and efficiency. The SW900 LCD display provides comprehensive information. Monitor your speed, distance, battery voltage, and wattage with ease. Equipped with an ADA sine wave controller, it ensures smooth and stable power delivery. It's built to handle the demands of a 3000W Ebike. This kit is compatible with 48V to 72V systems and fits rear dropouts of 150 to 155 mm. It's perfect for your 3000W Ebike or stealth bomber build. Upgrade your electric bike effortlessly. The kit includes a controller bag for convenient and secure mounting. What we like. Achieve speeds of up to 90 km/h with this powerful 3000W kit, featuring an ADA sine wave controller and a detailed SW900 LCD display. If you're aiming for high performance and want to monitor various riding metrics like speed, distance, and battery voltage, this is the kit for you. What people say. They are quiet and quite powerful. I have two 3000W hubs, 135mm and 150mm dropout, and a 2000W hub. I've got a total of 1000 miles on the two 3000 watts, and the 2000W has 350 miles. They are absolutely quiet, only noise are the knobby tires. There is a huge amount of torque. I'm getting around 60 to 65 miles on a charge with semi-conservative riding. Performance is next to none and customer service is easy and fast. Also, kit comes with many extras. Number 1. Alarm Lock Sabvoton 48V 96V 3000W Hub Motor Kit. Transform your electric bike with this powerful 3000W hub motor conversion kit. It's designed for 48V to 96V systems, offering a significant upgrade in performance. This kit features the reliable ADA Sabvoton V2 controller, ensuring efficient and stable power delivery. It's built to handle demanding rides. Stay informed with the integrated TFT color display. It provides clear and vibrant readouts of your ride's important information at a glance. Engineered for durability, this kit includes an alarm lock and all waterproof cables. You can ride with confidence, knowing it's protected against the elements. The QS3000W rear hub motor is designed for 19-inch wheels with a dropout width of 150 to 155 mm. It provides robust power for your rear wheel. We stand by the quality of our product. This conversion kit comes with a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This kit boasts a waterproof ADA Sabvoton V2 controller and a vibrant TFT color display, plus an integrated alarm lock for security. If you ride in various weather conditions and value both advanced display features and theft deterrence, this option offers excellent protection and usability. What people say. The motor is powerful and easily climbs hills. Installation was straightforward, and the kit included all necessary parts. The battery life is impressive, lasting for long rides. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.